with this. Gradually, we'll take our time to proceed. And yes, so Amir, please start, and then let's proceed.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon and welcome everyone for this. This is the first episode of Sports Management Career. What do you say? It's about SPA's first webinar series that started. This is the first episode where we will be talking about the sports career options for the youth.
Okay.
So, am I audible to everyone?
Yes. Amir, it's you audible.
Okay. Yes. Sure. So, basically, India being a very large and diversified country, we have a lot of cultural impacts going on, and sports is something that it's not bounded by anything. And the initiative that our country is taking to develop sports is, I think, really good. So SPA has come up with some interesting programs like 3 months, 6 months, yearly programs. And I'm also fortunate enough to be one of the first students to be a part of the Indian sports management education that has been going on. So I would like to share my experience first. Like, I have always been into the sports industry. I've been an athlete since school. In my college and in my university, I've played around like 20-24 sports. And the interest that has been built was since the childhood. So I think sports management as a career option is really broadening up the horizon in terms of new job opportunities or like creative uh, entrepreneurs coming up and things like that. So my experience in terms of sports management was very uh, very adventurous, you can say. You know, I did. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
please.
Yes. So I have been in this industry as a professional sports manager since 2014. And since 2014 till like 2021, I have worked in a lot of sports domains, from sports infrastructure development to sports coaching to sports education, sports tourism, you name it. And like I've practically been there. In sports events also, I have been a part of it. So sports management as a career is a very interesting opportunity coming out for the youth of India. You know, India being a youth dominated country also, we have a lot of potential that we need to unearth. And I think like the more and more kids enroll for such programs, it's going to give them another perspective to look at life. It's not only about becoming an engineer or a doctor or whatever, but there's a new domain opening up, which is about sports domain. Yeah. So it is it's very interesting that there are short courses which make you eligible for the sports industry to work in. So I would like to introduce Mr. Hello. There's some disturbance. I would like to welcome Dr. Shailendra Dubey, who's an international director for SPA programs. Dr. Dubey, are you?
Yes. Very much here. Very much
Yes,
with
sir.
you, Amir. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. So I would like to ask a few questions
Yes.
that will, probably initiate a conversation between everyone on this portal right now. So, Dr. Dubey, could you speak a few words about SPA, that how it's opening up new opportunities for the youth of India?
Right. Thanks, Amir, and thanks all the dear participants. This is the one of the first series of the lecture series of the SPA, Sports Academy Association of India. And the basic objective of initiating this series is to make us, make every youth, every member, young member should be aware about the potentialities lying ahead. That is as a you that as a career, as an
Yes.
alternative career, I should say.
Mhm.
With this intent, we want to reach to the youth of the India, youth of the country, and at the same time, those who are pretty passionate to look opportunities and look career opportunities, and that's why this is being organized. Number one. Number two, Sports Academy Association is pretty active, quite active in this field. It's one of the nodal agency in this country, duly recognized by the Ministry of HRD for its own programs, and that's why it has got the credentials. So
Right.
if I'm allowed, I can start my presentation also with my slides, just slides, so
Yes.
that I can go further. MA, right, MA, and
Yes, sir.
I'm very happy that you have taken initiative in terms of introducing the program and welcoming the delegates and the participants. Now
Thank
allow
you,
me
sir.
to allow me to share my slide, and then let's
Yes,
proceed
sir.
in the given time, because time is pretty
Absolutely. Yeah, we
limited.
have time constraints
Yes.
actually,
So
but
so so, so
yes, we will try to capture as much as
yes,
possible.
yes. So can you see my slides? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
visible? So
Yes.
now the basic objective, the topic of this today's webinar is that is sports career. That is
Yes.
how this youth can be benefited from this sports management. See,
Yes,
we
sir.
all know that SPA is a nodal agency. SPA is very much active into the national and international collaborations programs under the stewardship of Dr. Arora, who is president of Sports Academy Association of India, and we are organizing several programs. Many more academicians and internationally qualified uh, resources are available with us. Domain experts are available with us. Uh, so SPA has the requisite credentials, I should say, and
Mhm.
in that way, also organizing so many sports, sports show, trade fairs, or you can say that is called. It has got linkages with the schools and institutes and colleges and universities, and very much into the uh, you know. Uh, exploring the MOUs. In fact, SPA has already signed several interesting MOUs, and we have already witnessed this, and this is all for the benefit of the youth. But the question
Right.
is, what we understand by the youth. Just see,
Mhm.
this gives a glimpse of the activities done by the SPA
Yes,
for
sir.
the welfare of the youth. As youths from Armenia or international countries, they have benefited because of certain programs, right? So
Right, sir.
I want to just dwell upon what is the
Mhm.
real what lies ahead,
Yes, yes.
how this youth can be attracted. So let's begin with, I've just developed some slides just to start, so that those who are young age as a participant or delegate, they can understand. We
Right.
all know during our early school days, we we were attracted towards games, sports. Even I myself was a sports person, right? And
Right.
that was all. That was it had a twin, it had a twin aspect. Number one,
Mhm.
to be good, healthy, right? This is
Right.
what our parents and our teachers wanted, that we should be healthy enough, and because healthy mind lives in healthy body.
Right.
A nation is recognized by its own youth, its own
Youth.
youth power, right? and
Right,
and
sir.
today I can say India is in the group. It's the one where India is bubbling with the youth energy. So
Right.
this formative this formative stage, I should say, in this,
Mhm.
you got to know hobby, sports as a hobby, games as a
Right.
hobby. Now this is we call formative stage. Why?
Mhm.
Because from here you start developing you and this
Right.
is what I say. Even covid was covid kept us all locked inside, but remember,
Right.
still we were watching TVs, looking for sports programs, games programs, or
Right. Right.
playing indoor games or something
Mhm.
like a carom or this. Even our consultants, doctors were asking us, so that we should be active, mentally active, and
True.
that's a good way. That's the
Right.
one aspect. But when we go for further, that's a school age,
Mhm.
institute, you know uh, and then when we start nurturing ourselves, thinking ourselves as a sports person or as a sports, so we need certain ingredients in us.
Yes.
What is that? That is means you need to have a passion for it. You have to be energetic, you have to be
Mhm.
physically fit, you have to have a energy, stamina. Now, why this is also required because all the field and track games, they require lots of stamina, lots of good physique. Okay, or
Right.
consider any games. You take up badminton, kho, kabaddi, anything. See, we when we were playing these games, there you wanted to have this kind of physical fitness. So
Right.
even sports required always a physical fitness. This is what I wanted
Mhm.
to say. And this is the youth. Now this is the youth stage. So youth is a bubbling of energy, bundle of energy. And can we unmute? Still there is some. Can we request to unmute? Yes. Yes. Hello. Yes. Please, can we request others to mute so that we can continue with Mr. Sahu? I think yes. Ame, if you see this, can you mute them? Request to mute them. Yes. Hello. Okay. So now this is what we're talking about. How this youth stage is defined. And I tell you, India is lucky enough to have the youth population. I just got few slides for the illustration purpose from the Google, just to show you how India, like projecting first shows that is called our with respect to China, our population. Obviously, we are going to surpass. Now, that's one. But second thing, which is more important, that is called the median age. And this is what we wanted to show you, that India will be median age will be, that's called 32 years. That's a pretty productive age. That's a pretty energetic age. That is where you know uh, important lies. And that is where India can encash upon. Today India think of getting a $5 trillion economy. India dwells depends on its own youth. And that's why I see this is the basic one. And at the same time, just see 241.1 million people will be in the age group of 30. Now, that is a very sizable population, where we find the developed countries in a inverted pyramids. That is called inverted demographic pyramids. They have got an aging population. In some cases, it's a negative population. So India has got the dividend. India has got the dividends with respect to progressing. And here I focus on why this India should focus, or its youth should focus on sports as a career. This is because this is our policy vision also. If I quote here, Ministry of Youth Affairs, to empower youth of the country to achieve their full potential, and through them enable India to find its rightful place in the community of nations. So it means India should get its own share in the committee of 100 or 86 or 200 member countries in the United Nations. So here what I wanted to tell you, that this is what we talk about youth, and this is what we look for. I have picked up Indian movies to show that the youth power. We've got MS Dhoni, or there was a one good movie by MS Dhoni. Just see, MS Dhoni. I picked up this clip to show you that why Dhoni, though he was into the job, he wanted to come out and he wanted to join and take it as a career, sports as a career. And that's why this movie very nicely depicts. Whereas the Dangal one shows the two sisters, how they are groomed by their father, and then they get into the limelight. Again, from a traditional state where girls were not encouraged to participate in sports. And that's why Dangal really very nicely portrayed that, and that became very popular in other countries. Bhag Milga Bhag, again, just see how this brought glory to the country. So we see sports as a getting glory, and that's why we can say proudly that if it is a archery, it's a badminton, or if it is a shooting, or if it's this our Raghavan Rathore, or you can say Colonel Rathore, or you can say there's shooter, or you can say many more. We got those who got the prizes, those who got glory to the nation. So we cherish all those. To cut it short, these why we spa people, why we spa talks about the sports as a management. Remember, sports can be taken at two levels. One, as an active person, you are participating, you are representing state, national, or international. I enjoyed up to district, national, or regional level, like okay, so in the sports in the school days also. But the fact is that you can this is the one stage, but later on you can go, you can be as a, a supporter, you can have an alternative career. And that's why we talk
Right.
about the sports management, isn't it, Ame? So
Yes, sir.
now your sports as an active person can be of limited, but you can be further, because that age is, because pretty demanding. It's a tough competition, it's a tough competition,
Right.
20-30 years. You can stay active till age of 20-30. Okay, but
Hmm.
not beyond that, because competitions at the national and international level is pretty tough, I tell you. So in that
Yes,
case,
yes.
then what is then your alternative career? Then I say that you can have sports, sports as a career in terms of sports management. Here you can join as a sports coach. You can have
Exactly.
the,
And pursue your ambition
yeah,
to
yeah,
build
that
your
is where,
career into this.
fantastic,
Yes, of
where
course.
where you can share your experience as a coach, or you can
Yes.
say, where you can guide them, you can nurture the talent, you can, and many more. Today I see many more. I was going through the clip of, she was a very good long jumper,
Hmm.
this Anju, and
Anju
okay,
Bobby George.
Anju Bamu George, and how she's got
Yes.
her own academy, and now she says,
Yes.
so that is what I say. See,
Exactly.
you can have your own academy, you can have your own setup, you can coach others, right? That is the one aspect. Second thing,
Yes.
as a commentator, many of us
Hmm.
love to see sports, okay, love to
Of
see
course.
cricket, but
Yes.
sometimes, gift of gab. If somebody who's good into speaking, they can become a commentator also at all levels. Today got several formats. Okay,
True.
so why not to become a commentator? You can be suitably employed also, and here also,
Right.
in this case, you can draw your own scripts. You can write your own scripts. You can use them as a commentator. And just see, I'm mentioning here. Just see, Gavaskar does now. Mr. Gavaskar not playing, but he's as a commentator. But there's another one. There's a Harsha Bhogle.
Yes.
Okay, if you remember, Mr. Harsha Bhogle was a very popular, very popular. He's a commentator,
Of course.
and
Yes.
known for his gift of gab. Is a good English communicator. The way he speaks,
Right.
and remember, he was also for this, a good management program from a very premier institution. And now I
Right.
see, you can also have a career as a sports anchor in, electronic media, or in different, this is what I'm trying to show you. Okay, this is Mr. Gupta, who is a very much visible in Astak, and he's, so this is the one where you can be talking about. when i
Right.
say when I say, I mean, this is where, as a sports physiologist, okay,
Hmm.
when you got so many, your body anatomy. So who will tell
Yes.
you what went wrong with your system, right?
Of course.
So here you can be acting as a physiologist to somebody. You can training
Uh-huh.
them, you can supporting them, right? And that is
Right,
that
sir.
is a, that is a one where you can have a ample of career with respect to acting as a sports physiologist. Next one is what I foresee, that is called as a sports psychologist. Remember, sports are today become more like a mind game. Okay,
Yes, yes, it
and,
is.
and when you see hooting of the crowd, and competitions are there, national and international level, what we witness in our country also. So if
Mhm.
you are a psychologist, you can uh, convince your you know uh, to somebody to go with a strong willpower. Okay, and
Right.
sometimes it's a mind game, because people, I have deliberately put one pick here that's called Carolina, right? And this
Uh-huh. Yes.
and she was, the way she was grunting, the way she was putting pressure on our player.
Right.
So what the coaches might be doing that time, they might be simply putting, okay, your willpower making you. And so that is a very much important, because it's though the game is of very limited duration, but the way you have to face it, it is very
Hmm.
important. So sports
Right.
as a psychologist, you can play, you can take it as a career. uh, uh, we all today we have seen that how photographer, media people very active today. They can go to any place, they can go to for the pics, rare pics, I tell you. And
Right.
that mesmerizes us. So sports as a photographer, or you can see in the print or media journal, as a media journalist, that's a very important role. And we look for photographs also, such mind
Right.
boggling
Exactly. Because sports photography is also a very uprising
yes,
platform.
yes,
Because I mean, the moments that have been captured are priceless. If
right,
you, for example, go to see some of the crazy images of cricket or
yes,
football, like
football.
I mean, it.
uh,
Yes, yes, it
if,
is.
if,
It
even our
is
even
growing right now.
Yes, I mean, even our school days, even
Mhm.
even you see today, parents, students, everybody's pretty, curious to see their pick, in the
Right.
newspaper or magazine, wherever, because if they got some prize, isn't it, because it should come next day to the and school. So what I'm trying to tell you, this can be as a great profession to get
Mhm.
into, if you are aware about the sports and its technicalities, so it will be very much helpful to you as a
Right.
physical trainer, as a personal trainer. I should say that is also because the way things are unfolding before us, the way people are very conscious about, that is called spending money on sports for their fitness. Because
Yes, sir.
India, you, if you are fit, you are hit. जो दिखता है वही बिकता है fit.
Of
And
course.
fitness mantra is very much there. So I should say, first time I have seen in the societies, in the housing societies or in the clubs and everywhere, you got physical trainers are available, personal trainers
Right.
are available, gym trainers are available, because they tell you you are not the expert. So you, one can take up as a profession here in this case by knowing these kind of things. You got a physical
True.
therapist again. This is a physical therapist telling one how to physically rehabilitate or get out of the injuries or whatever, muscle pulls, right? This
Right,
is
sir.
this is what we think that can be a possible one.
Mhm.
The new emerging area, sports lawyer. So we can't say that there's a criminal lawyer, there's a civil lawyers there or other lawyers.
There are
We've got a
corporate lawyers or
yes,
whatever,
corporate
right?
lawyers. Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
there is diversification
travel.
of
So
lawyers. Yes.
sports have also come into picture. Sports lawyer. Now, what is sports lawyer? So it means if there are some problems with respect to agreements, or some problem with respect to your because today a dope system is pretty effective.
Yes,
So
yes,
somebody has to represent your case.
yes.
Anti-doping agency and all kind of things are there. So who will represent your case? So at least lawyer has to be there to represent your case, your country's case, and all
Of
kind of
course.
things. And in this case, I tell you, there are lots of big stakes, because it's
Yes,
a question.
apart from just doping, I think lawyers play a very vital role in creating or like curating the contracts for these athletes.
Fantastic, fantastic.
You know,
Because yes,
because
professional bodies, right? Those who are a professional
right.
one, I very much. Just as in this case, suppose if somebody is a professional, initially you start as the amateur, but later on you get into the professional one, right? So
Yes.
once you start joining, for example, Bijinder Singh, he
Mhm.
represented our country, that is called, you can say, boxing. He got a
Right.
medal also, but now he's into the professional one, right?
Yes.
So then you need to have a role of the sports lawyer to create a drafting for your contracts and all, so that you can be suitably you should be suitably compensated, or suitably you should be considered for any program, right?
Mhm.
And maybe there are many like a WWF or something. Indians also representing into that. Vijender is not
Right.
representing.
Right.
So here the role of lawyers comes into picture, and there's a it's a widening domain, I should say, in this way.
Of course it is.
On top of it, sports nutrition. Without nutrition, nothing is sports, I tell you. सब लोग कहते
True.
हैं कि खाना खाओ. If you ask to a पहलवान, okay, so he has get on his own diet. We got several. India is known for several, its own games.
Wrestlers.
Like a Pehlwan wrestlers, you got a
Yes.
Kho, a Kabaddi, a Gulli Danda. Like, okay, some of them are already recognized worldwide. Kho is very
Right.
much popular now. So if you ask them, they will say, yes, we have got such a nutrition. We are focusing on this. I remember when I had visited, our own Pehlwan. He was
Uh-huh.
a very famous Pehlwan near ISBT. He had his own, and people used to
Okay.
join his academy, right? And
Right.
then we knew that how the what kind of tough training they used to do. So the food was very important, the nutritious food what they used to take. And India is known
Absolutely.
for
Yes.
Pehlwani. So Indians wrestlers, for example, Indian wrestlers like you can say Suresh, or recently the one, those who are getting lots of accolades for the country from Haryana. Haryana has become a hub for there's a Pehlwani. So I should
Mhm.
say, said nutrition is the one aspect. The, the second domain, which is called advertising, right?
Right.
Advertising, publicity, or you can say educate, exhibitions, where we just
Right.
see this is the glimpse. But I tell you, it's $1 million, $1 billion game today, worldwide. Small
True.
MNCs, top MNCs, they go for advertising their product, and they're looking
Mhm.
for ads. For similarly, you got a you got a sports exhibitions, or you got a sports mela, and all kind of things are happening. Even our own Pragati Maidan has become a hub for organizing sports. So SPA India is
Yes.
also
Yes.
organizing the programs every 28th, 29th, 30th of August, right?
Right.
So what does it mean? It means now this sports is capturing the minds of the people, right?
Right.
Now young mind, the young mind is looking as an alternative career. Remember, there are traditional lines, but there are other career opportunities. So we suggest, see, this is the what every Indian look for. IPL is back, and that with that is. So remember, when I say IPL is back, you see all these Rolls Royal, this is a Rajasthan Royals, or these are all professional organizations. So you need all
Yes.
kind of people to manage their activities, and this is where sports management as a professional program comes into picture. It's not everybody's cup of tea. You have to have a
Right.
you know you have to have your you can say that is called background. So
Mhm.
SPA is encouraging you to go for several programs, what I say, in a one way, that is called international executive programs or certificate program for teachers of physical education, teachers or the students or youth, right? At the same time, SPA has also recognized BBA and MBA programs, which will be in association with the universities can be given, right? So what I'm trying to
Right.
tell you, this is the way through which SPA is promoting educational aspect of the sports. Clear?
Right, sir.
So it doesn't mean if somebody is not born very fit, it doesn't mean he cannot
Pursue sports.
yeah,
Yes.
so he or she can pursue sport, that is
Yeah,
called by.
exactly. If they don't make it on track, they can obviously take it ahead off track.
Yes. So now what
Right.
does it mean when I say this sports tech landscape? It means people with their own bent of mind can have their own startups in different field related to sports. Just see, when I say you got a variables equipments, you got a data analytics, you got a different leagues here. Just see, all
Mhm.
these are being shown here. Different companies being shown. Then you got
Right.
a media. So today it's a era of social media, digital platform. So it means you can pursue your passion for sports through innovative ways. Startups.
True.
You can go for your own startups, and you can go for your own ventures also. This is what is possible through sports management.
Right, sir.
तुम नहीं जा सकते थे उसके साथ पार्टी में
May I request the member, please mute yourself. Ame, can you request others?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
That's what.
so now with this, I think we should look for this queries, or you can say question answer session, so that we can proceed with our yes, Ame. So that
Yes,
that was
sir.
the basic idea. The first series was just to grab the attention. Okay, how we can,
True.
what kind of opportunities youth have today, what kind of they look for. I always believe one thing. Remember, certain sectors like defense, certain
Right,
sectors
sir.
like paramilitary, certain like sectors like, okay, those who strongly believe in your sports built up, sports liking sports, and then you can later on use manage also. That's the one aspect. Second thing, which if you go by top notch people, for example,
Mhm.
Jack Wells of GE, he used to be a great player, golf player, right?
Right.
Initially, during the school days, he was one of the great captains of his school football team,
Mhm.
right?
Yes.
But later on gravitated towards the that is called golf playing, and he was one of the very good golf player. Don't go
Right.
elsewhere. We see our own. If I say our Kiran Bedi, our decorated police officer Kiran Bedi,
Yes, sir.
she used to be a Asian. You can